Hey everybody, it's David again from Real Hard Reviews. What if I told you there's a laptop packing the desktop grade power of an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 and the latest high performance Intel Core Ultra processor with its impressive 8P cores and 16E cores. A machine that laughs in the face of demanding games and chews through creative workloads like nothing else. We're talking about the MSI Titan 18 HX AI. A true titan of the laptop world. It features a breathtaking 4K high refresh rate display, a mechanical keyboard, and a price tag that will make your eyes water. That's around 7,000 Canadian dollars. Is this the ultimate no compromise mobile powerhouse? Let's find out. First impression matters, and the Titan 18 HX doesn't shy away from its powerful nature. It's a large and imposing laptop, crafted from a magnesium aluminum alloy chassis that feels both premium and robust. Measuring in at roughly 15.9 by 12.1 by 1.3 inches and weighing close to 8 pounds, this isn't something you easily slip into a backpack. However, the sheer size allows for some incredible features. Two of the standout features are immediately noticeable: the seamless RGB haptic touchpad and the Cherry MX ultra low profile mechanical keyboards with per key RGB lighting. The trackpad is a unique touch, offering a smooth surface with customizable RGB accents. The haptic feedback is responsive, though some might find it takes a little getting used to. The keyboard, however, is a dream. The Cherry MX switches provide a satisfying tactile feel and precision actuation, making typing and gaming an absolute pleasure. The per key RGB is vibrant and highly customizable through the SteelSeries GG software, allowing you to create personalized lighting profiles. There is even a dedicated Copilot key for quick access to AI assistants if need be. Opening up the laptop reveals a glorious 18-inch 4K mini LED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 16:10 aspect ratio. The panel is somewhat basic, colors are somewhat vibrant, and it does cover the color gamut and also HDR 1000 certification. So whether you're gaming or watching videos or doing creative work, the picture quality is pretty good, but not the best. I find the HDR to be rather lackluster, and it could definitely be improved. And since this is the ultimate gaming laptop, I found it a little disappointing that it can only do 120Hz and not 144Hz that we are accustomed to while gaming. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Titan 18 HX AI is powered by the Intel Core Ultra processor 285HX, featuring 8 high-performance P cores and 16 efficient E cores designed to handle demanding tasks with ease. Paired that with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 and a massive 24 gigs of GDDR7 memory, along with 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 6TB SSD, this machine is built for speed. Let's look at some synthetic benchmarks first. In Cinebench 2024, which tests CPU rendering, our single core scores around 134 points, the multi-core scores around 2,289 points. Moving into Geekbench 6, the CPU scored 2985 in single core and 21,821 in multi-core, further reinforcing its strong all-around processing power. For graphical tests, we definitely used 3D Mark x Spy, and that gave us an impressive score of 23,105, highlighting the raw performance of the RTX 5090. PC Mark 10 provides an overall system performance score for variety of tasks, and the Titan 18 HX achieved 8,674, indicating an excellent responsiveness for everyday and professional use. We also ran a demanding Steel Nomad benchmark where the Titan 18X scored 6,100 points, another strong indicator of its high-end gaming 3D rendering capabilities. Of course, a machine with this kind of hardware is built for gaming. Let's see how it handles some demanding titles, and we'll also take a look at the impact of NVIDIA's DLSS 4 with frame generation. In Cyberpunk 2077 at Ultra 4K settings, we initially saw 41 FPS with no DLSS. However, engaging DLSS quality plus frame generation, it drastically boosted that to a smooth 93 FPS, transforming the experience from borderline playable to remarkably fluid and immersive. In Warzone at Ultra 4K settings with DLSS provided excellent performance. We recorded 160 FPS and 90 FPS when DLSS is turned off. And finally, in Forza Horizon 4K with extreme settings, we saw an incredible 140 FPS with frame generation enabled. Even running at native 4K, it maintained an impressive 103 FPS, proving this laptop can handle fast-paced racing action with ease. Now let's talk about keeping all this power cool. The MSI Titan 18 HX AI employs an advanced cooling system. While gaming, we observed the max CPU temperature at 87 degrees Celsius and the max GPU temperature to be at 75 degrees Celsius. These temperatures are well within the acceptable range for a high-performance laptop under sustained heavy load. The fans do ramp up noticeably and you will hear them, but this aggressive cooling is essential to provide and prevent thermal throttling and maintaining peak performance. While it's not the quietest laptop under full load, the trade-off is the exceptional performance it delivers without sacrificing component longevity. For video conferencing and also streaming, the Titan 18 offers a 1080p webcam, and its image quality is generally decent, clear, in good well-lit environments, but it struggles in low light. It should be perfectly adequate for most online interactions. When it comes to audio, the MSI Titan is well equipped. The sound quality is rather clear and it offers a decent bass and highs, but it can be tinny at max volume. It's certainly capable enough for enjoying media and casual gaming without headphones, though serious gamers will still prefer a dedicated headset for the best immersive experience and also communication, especially when those fans kick up. Connectivity is also excellent, with dual Thunderbolt 5 ports offering incredible bandwidth, multiple USB 3.2 Type A ports, an HDMI 2.1, and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet jack, and even a full-size SD card reader. Wireless connectivity is handled by the killer Wi-Fi 7 and a Bluetooth 5.4 for the latest and fastest connections. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. At around $7,000 Canadian, the MSI Titan 18 is undeniably an extreme investment. This laptop isn't for casual gamers or the budget-conscious user. It's targeted towards enthusiasts, professionals who need top-tier performance for demanding tasks, and those who simply want the absolute best that a laptop can offer regardless of cost. The short battery life is another factor to consider. While it does pack a large 99 watt-hour battery, the power-hungry components mean you'll likely need to stay plugged in for extended gaming sessions or demanding workloads. Honestly, you probably get around 2 hours max when I was testing it. So, who is the MSI Titan 18 for? It's for those who demand uncompromising performance, a premium feature set, and are willing to pay a significant amount of money for its desktop replacement in every sense of the word, offering power that rivals high-end gaming PCs. Ultimately, the MSI Titan 18 is a technological marvel. It pushes the boundaries of what's possible in a gaming laptop. If you have the budget and prioritize absolute performance above all else, this Titan might be just the king of the hill. But for most users, there are undoubtedly more affordable options that still offer excellent gaming and productivity experiences. And this brings us to the end of the review. If you liked it, please hit that subscribe button and also that like button as well. This is David from Real Hardware Reviews, signing out.